Do you know marigold is one of the easiest flower can grow in countries around the world. It not only beautiful to look, but have some benefit for us. Some people grow marigold to repel mosquitoes, insects because of its strong smell. Some use as a hair care. It also helps boost hair volumes as it is antibacterial in nature. It cools down and shoots itchy scalp, makes you free of dandruff. Marigold flower infusions are used as a traditional remedies for worms, sores, dental infections, and skin conditions. Some gardening experts say marigolds are highly valuable for medicinal purposes like headache, swelling, toothache, worms, and many skin problems. It can reduce inflammation, redness of skin, sensitivity, dryness, swelling, burns, etc. In addition, they have been used in cookings. Petals of marigolds are used for decorations and other purposes like makeup, coloring food, stew, soups, pudding, and some believes marigold tea can make glowing skin.